All right, another day here at the terrace. This time we got a tool. Also rented a crane to bring it up here at 5 in the morning or whatever, because that's the time the crane could deliver it. Brought it from the floor, from down there from the ground, in a big crane over here and dropped it right there for us. And we're gonna be expecting that crane to come back and pick it up. Proverdo, that's what we call it, Proverdo. Ain't that right? Safety. Then we got JR over here. Ain't that right? Getting it done. This is it, y'all. This is an update, and of course I'm gonna show y'all more later. You know, that's cool. All right, so like I said, we have this terrace going on, and we have all the drains, all the perimeters, everything going down to the drains. This is what they did yesterday. They filled that section in. So now we have this section with the wire lath in between, mud, sloping. This is a panel going from there straight down, then from there into the drains, from there to there, corners, kind of like that one, from there to there, another one from there to there. So it all drains, 2 drains in the middle. So this is a pretty it's a challenging job. Nothing we can't do. So we're tying up the wire lath to the previous wire lath that's stuck right here already. We put it in between the mud. We got this whole section in already. Already got that section done, showed you a little bit ago, and then we got this section almost done. So that's where we're at right now. On for the next one. Getting it done. What up? Doing that mud up here, boy. These nice drains.
You don't got no more dark glasses? You got no more in the car?
I don't have my car. You need what? Alright, so we're back. And this is what we got going on so far up here in the terrace. We got the streaks going on. We got all these drains with streaks going down to them and around. And we're doing all the filling in. It's about 1,200 feet. That's our waste right there. But check it out. Obviously, we're putting the wire mesh with the ditch forming at the bottom. Alright, we got it going. We dry setting it. Now we're obviously finna re-regard it in the morning, but we're gonna go ahead and dry set it so we have some cuts done, because we have 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square with this one. And then we got a, what do they say, it's like a panel, I guess. And we have another small panel from here to here, and a rectangle right there. So we're getting there. Check it out. We got a week to do this. Can we knock this off in a week? 1,400 feet of all pattern. So we got those as Listellos right there. So we have to fill those in between these sections and around the perimeter and through the middle and that way right there down the middle. So both middles. So it's gonna be, you don't see all the pattern right here yet, but it's gonna be a lot. We got a pattern around the whole perimeter. We got a pattern going like this in each box. Then we got one line going straight across from one end to the other, and one line going straight across through the middle, all the way through the other, which creates that panel that shoots water down that way. And on this section, so for example, on this one, we have the same distance from the drain to that section. So from there to there, it's about 7 feet. From there to there, it's going to be about 7 feet. Then we shoot straight across, and we create that panel again. So we got, like I said, another border right here. Borders all the way around. Border, 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 all the way around the whole perimeter. Border coming down this way, like I said, going across. And this one creates a border going all the way across, so that border connects like that. Pretty much the reason for the borders. And then borders going that way, borders going that way. So a lot of borders, you know, borders, X in every box. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got a 5th box right here. In order to make this one work, we're gonna go border up to it. We're gonna create another triangle box right here in the middle, and then we're gonna shoot these lines straight to the top of that triangle. So it's gonna be like a whole extra different border right there. Look at this rag guard, unbelievable. Oh, Florida, I'm telling you, you can't even rag guard properly. So now we have to re-rag guard this tomorrow properly, come around and scraping all the bad stuff. Hopefully it's sunny and we can do it. If not, we're gonna have to wait another day, and that's really bad because it hurts us. We have to be done in a week and a half. Hey, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later. We got the pros right here. What up, y'all? What up, what up, what up, pros? Pros, pros, pros. Other pros are inside.